An attempt at comedy by Stockaholics, A2 Milk, and Mr. Market. Hey, what's up, man? You okay? You don't look so good, dude. No. A2 Milk, man. Keeps dropping. I can't sleep. I can't eat. Catching all these knives, man. They're in my soul at this point. I gotta get rid of these shares, man. This company, I don't know what I was thinking. It's freaking garbage. Don't you own A2 Milk too? You should sell while you still can. The stock price is going to zero, dude. Yeah, I'm okay. I actually bought some more this morning with some of my copper profits. Are you nuts? There's going to be more negative earnings guidance coming soon. Maybe. I mean, you don't think that's already priced into the share price at this point already? No. If it was priced in the share price, it would be $1 today. In New Zealand dollars. I'm happy with the PE ratio as it is now. I think the company's got tons of cash on hand right now, and I think a lot of the fear and surrounding the issues in this company, they're very likely to be temporary ones. The cash they have won't matter when it's all gone. They have positive earnings and cash flow, right? Whatever. It doesn't matter because the Daigao channel is gone forever. It's dead, dude. The management is so freaking stupid for investing in this freaking channel. I mean, don't you think that's temporary? It seems more likely that, once in 100-year plague could disrupt a few things. The Daigao was flourishing before that. The company was actually praised for relying on Daigao so much before this. No, it's not temporary. I'm forward looking. And even so, Australian-Chinese relations are sour. Chinese students, they're never going back to Australia. Maybe. I mean, you don't think they're going to work it out? No, dude, you're just some stupid freaking American. You wouldn't understand. You just bomb people and you ask questions later. Yeah, I do like explosions and guns. But even if the Daigao channel doesn't come back, the sales in China, they've been absolutely phenomenal. To me, if those sales continue, the Daigao, doesn't it just become worthless at some point? Don't you realize competition in Chinese milk has been increasing? Fihei and other Chinese brands, they're taking market share. So the Chinese label of A2 milk, it grew by 45% in the last half. How exactly is that losing market share? Plus there's a distrust in Chinese brands due to the poisoning in the infant formula that took place a decade ago. On top of that, A2 has premium brand power too. You have to keep in mind, infants are only infants for so long. Most parents tend to overspend on formula for the short window of infancy. So do you think there's a more premium brand than A2 milk for infant formula? No, but it doesn't matter because birth rates in China are in the decline anyway. Much of China, it still lives in poverty, and the middle class, it's growing every year. You don't think that this would lead to, increase on spending on goods, especially that infant formula kind of thing, like A2 milk? Chinese women, they also work very hard, and there's a pattern in the behavior where they don't breastfeed as often as other countries. I think that this could lead to more spending on premium goods in infant formula like A2 milk. Why are you talking about breastfeeding? You some kind of pervert? And there are more markets for A2 milk, right? There's a world outside of China to grow too, right? It doesn't matter. A2's share price has fallen so much, they're just going to get acquired by some international brand anyway. And how is that bad? They're going to buy the company for pennies on the dollar. Yeah, so usually when public companies are bought, they're bought for prices that are higher than their current share price. Wait, what is that you're drinking? I'm drinking some beer. I knew it. You don't even drink milk. The world is turning vegan. Why would I ever invest in a milk company in 2021? Milk is dead. I should have invested in beer. A vegan alternative. You know, if you hate A2 milk so much, I'll buy your shares. The OTC market is pretty illiquid, so it would be nice to just buy your shares outright. Sold. This was an attempted comedy by Stockaholics.